Good morning, dear students. In today's class, we will see the problems based on line integral. In previous class, we have seen what is line integral, how it occurs, and with the one example based on line integral we have seen in the previous class. So today I will continue again the examples based on line integral. In that we'll see the very special kind example which is more important for examination, that is work done. So in the previous class I have shown you the formula for work done, that is close integral f dot dr is also represent what here, total work done by the force. So line integral also formula the same, as well as we can say that it is a total work done formula also. So with the help of this small recall, we can go today the examples based on line integral, as well as I can say that total work done. The solution: so given vector f, you need to correct it, that is vector f is equal to x square I plus xy of j. So they have given vector f, then they have given in the question what here, if vector f is x square I plus xyj, evaluate vector f dot dr. This is a line integral we need to find from 0, 0 to 1, 1 along. They have given two conditions. First condition is y is equal to x. Y is equal to x is nothing but a line, straight line. And second one is what here, parabola, that is y is equal to root x, or I can say that y square is equal to x. If you square on both sides, it will become y square is equal to x, which is nothing but a parabola. So first we'll find what is f dot dr, then we'll see the next level here. Now with the help of f, we'll prepare f dot dr, and as we know that vector dr is nothing but dxi plus dyj plus dzk. This is vector f, vector dr. Now so we'll go for dot product of f dot dr, that is vector f dot vector dr is nothing but, what is vector f, we collected, that is x square I plus xyj, and here we have with respect to k also. So here no k means I will write plus 0 into k just for the calculation. Dot next dr. So dr is a vector in the form of what here, dxi plus dyj plus dz of k. So once we got this, then we'll go for dot product of two vectors, which is nothing but I, we need to multiply coefficient of I with coefficient of I, coefficient of j with coefficient of j, coefficient of k with coefficient of k. So I dot I is 1, we know that j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. So therefore only the coefficients of I, j, k will multiply to each other from each bracket. So x square into dx plus into plus is plus, xy into dy, plus into plus is plus, but 0 into dz is 0, so I will not mention here. So therefore vector f dot dr will be x square into dx plus xy into dy. So now we need to find integration of vector f dot dr under the point 0, 0 to 1, 1 using first two conditions. So now I will see here. So the first condition is what here? So first condition, they have given the line y is equal to x, they have given. So therefore we'll continue with the first condition. So I can say that along y is equal to x, so I can say that if you differentiate, means y is equal to x, and the points they have given what here, 0, I will mention here 0, 0 to 1, 1. So along the point, so here x, if you put x is equal to 0, y is also 0. If x is equal to 1, y is also 1. So therefore x is varying from what here, x values from, this is the value of x, this is also value of x. X varies from what here, greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 1. And if you differentiate y is equal to x, we'll get what here? Dy is equal to dx. It means what here? To find vector integration of this f dot dr, we know the limits for this vector. Limit for this vector is what here? X varies from 0 to 1, and where in the given f dot dr, dy will be replaced by what here? Dx. So now I will write here. So therefore integration vector f dot dr will be integration x varies from 0 to 1. Vector f dot dr you have to write in a such a way that, see here, x square dx plus, I will write down right now first for the condition xy into dy. In the next step I will change it, that is integration x from 0 to 1 x square, because integration is with respect to x, means here this is with respect to x only, so will not touch this one, will keep as it is, plus, so x as it is, this y using this condition, y is nothing but x, means y will be, means wherever y is there will make it as x. So this y I will write what here? X, and this dy using this condition, dy is equal to what here? Dx. So this dy will be changed to what here? Dx on substitution. So therefore we'll get integration x from 0 to 1 x square dx plus x into x is what here? X square dx, which is nothing but what here? 0 to 1 x square dx, it will become what here? 2 times x square dx. So therefore 2 is a constant. Integration of x square is what here? X cube by 3, limit from 0 to 1. Okay, integration of x square is x cube by 3, limit from 0 to 1, which is nothing but 2 by 3 as it is. Apply upper limit, 1 minus 0, lower limit is 0, so answer is 2 upon 3 for the first condition. Similarly for the second one, now the second condition, y is equal to root x under the points 0, 0 to 1, 1. So therefore along y is equal to root x, so which can be written as, square it will become y square is equal to x. So see, either you can make it all y is equal to x or x is equal to y. It is left to the situation. Now in the previous example I have taken what here? All converted y in terms of x. For this example I will convert all x in terms of y. So therefore I will differentiate this. So differentiation of y square is equal to dx is nothing but 2y into dy is equal to dx. This is a differentiation. Okay, so means wherever dx will become, will replace this value, and when x is there, will replace as what here? Y square. And if you are working for y, so therefore you have to define the limit for y as, so here y varies from 0 to 1. This is the value of y. So y varies from 0 to 1. So therefore our integration will be vector f dot dr is equal to integration y from 0 to 1. Okay, so we know that as per the f dot dr is, it is x square dx plus xy into dy. We will write it as it is right now, x square dx plus xy into dy. So what we have made here? So we have made all x should be replaced by what here? Y. So therefore y from 0 to 1. So here x value is y square. X square will become what here? Y raised to 4. And dx will become what here? 2 dx value will become 2y into dy. Into this dx value is 2y into dy plus as it is. So this y and dy as it is. The value of x. So value of x is what here? Y square. Fine. So all values converted in terms of, means this is our vector f dot dr. All values you have converted in terms of y, or else you can simplify in terms of x also. Result will come same. Just I have shown you how to convert in terms of y or x for the example in different way. So y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. So what happens here? You arrange it. So this will become 2 times y raised to 4 into y will become y raised to 5 into dy plus this y square into y will become what here? Y cube into dy. So now we'll integrate with respect to y now completely. So this will become what here? 2 as it is. Integration of y raised to 5 is what here? Y raised to 6 upon 6 plus integration of y cube with respect to y is what here? Y raised to 4 upon 4. Limit from what here? 0 to 1. So apply upper and lower limit. So 2 1s are 2 3s are, you are simplified. So if you apply upper limit, it will become 1 upon 3 upper limit as plus 1 upon 4 minus lower limit 0 upon anything is 0, 0 upon anything is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0 itself. So therefore on final simplification 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, it will become what here? If you take the LCM, LCM is 12, 4 plus 3 which is nothing but 7 upon 12. So this is the solution by using what here? Second condition. So in this way we need to work out the examples of the line integral. So now we'll see the examples based on work done. Same procedure, but we'll see how the total work done is going to be calculated.